Welcome to Novo Liver. My name is Praveen Sutram. I am one of the co-founders of the company. We started the company because we saw a lot of confusion prevailing this condition called non-alcoholic fatty liver disease. Now you may have gotten an ultrasound done and it might have shown you grade 1, 2, 3, or your doctor might have suggested that you get tested for fatty liver because you have a risk of either overweight or obesity. Life might have been going on fine, and then suddenly, now that you know that this condition is there, everything takes a pause and a U-turn, and then you wonder, what is the way out? And then when you look online, that confusion only magnifies because there is so much of data and information on the internet, very little insight or very little specific guidance on what exactly you must do. Now, people would have told you that you must exercise and eat right and make lifestyle corrections. Yes, that is true, but what exactly is a lifestyle correction, and what are the exercises that you must do? How exactly do you lose weight, and what are the foods that you must have? What are the foods that you must avoid? And therein lies the problem. Then you see if there is a drug available out there, and then you discover that there are really no established drugs without side effects. So what do you do? Now science does have an answer. What science says and what research has shown is that with 10% of reduction of excess body weight, the liver begins to heal itself. It triggers the process of reversal, and as you keep going along in the journey, the liver has the potential to completely regenerate and heal itself. Now, if I were to cut my liver in half, it has the potential to grow back, and it has the greatest regenerative capacity of any organ in the body. So, our big message to you is do not worry, because if you're in the early stages of the condition or stages where the reversal is possible, then if you approach the problem in the right way, which I'll tell you about in a moment, the liver can begin to heal and you will be completely all right. So now, how do we approach it in the Novo Liver program? We call it the 4-pillar method. And what are the 4 pillars? The first pillar is fuel. Now fuel is what you consume. It's the diet and nutrition. It is what you put into the body. It is what energizes your body. Now in the program, you will not only learn what are the right foods for you, but you will also know what are the harmful foods that you must not consume. The second pillar in the program is the body pillar. Now here we are teaching what are the right exercises to do, one from a functional training standpoint, but also from a yoga and yogasana standpoint, because yogasana can help in stimulating internal organs that regular aerobic exercise may not be able to. The third pillar is the sleep pillar. Now almost nobody talks about the sleep pillar as they must, because sleep is an integral part of your healing journey. If you do not have the right quality of sleep and the right quantity of sleep, how do you expect your internal organs to heal? How do you expect the liver to regenerate itself? Now the fourth pillar is a foundation pillar in the program, and that is the mind pillar. Now stress and emotions have a big role to play in any disease condition, and especially non-alcoholic fatty liver disease. Now if you think about what our ancients have told us, the liver is the seat of our emotions. So if we harbor a lot of anger or any kind of negative emotions such as rage, guess where that gets accumulated? It gets stored in the liver and it starts manifesting physically. Now it doesn't matter whether we believe what I just said or not, but just know that keeping stress and emotions at bay, learning the techniques to master your emotions, master your stress, would take you very, very far along in your disease reversal journey. The Novo Liver program was designed and developed by gastroenterologists, hepatologists, registered dietitians and mind pillar coaches. We've made the program, fleshed it out so well, keeping in mind the best evidence-based science that is available right now and whatever we've learned quite directly in reversing this condition. What I want you to know is that you're in safe hands. You're in safe hands because there are very highly qualified clinicians who are based in the US who are directly involved in the program. And second, you're in safe hands because you have registered dietitians who have done this a few hundred times over So they're talking with experience, they're delivering that experience, and you're in safe hands also because you're working with people who are advanced yoga teachers who are bringing that experience to bay. And so when we integrate all these things, the magical outcome is better body, better healing and better health. In the Novo Liver program, one of the biggest things that you will be a part of is a support group of like-minded people. They're all standing at the gate of non-alcoholic fatty liver disease, and they're all feeling your pain. The final thing that I want to leave you with is that after today, you will never be alone on this journey. Finally, I want to thank you for checking the program out. You're welcome to join us on a screening call. You're welcome to shadow any of the sessions. You're welcome to participate in one of the many free webinars that we organize. And if you choose to go on this journey, again, it will be our privilege to handhold you, take you through this journey. Thank you so much, and I will see you in another video soon.